Hello and welcome to episode 2 of the Framemetric podcast. Today we're talking about why AI analytics can look incredible in a demo and then quietly fall apart in production. Because demos are predictable. Production is where AI analytics meets messy data, changing schemas, and accountability. AI analytics often looks magical in a clean demo environment. Then it meets reality. Reality includes inconsistent naming, missing fields, duplicated records, shifted fiscal calendars, and metric definitions that vary by team. In that environment, even traditional BI can be wrong. AI can be worse, not because it's bad, but because it can sound certain when it shouldn't. So here are the failure modes we see most often. First, ambiguous metrics. If retention isn't defined, the system chooses a definition. If income isn't scoped, it includes transactions it shouldn't. If new donor depends on a specific time window, the system guesses. And those guesses don't look like errors. They look like answers. The fix is a governed semantic layer that makes definitions explicit and consistent. Second, hidden joins and accidental duplication. Many-to-many joins, duplicate IDs, and unclean CRM data can produce totals that look believable but are wrong. And that's a data quality problem, not a model problem. The fix is safe query patterns, verified relationships, and validation checks that flag anomalies early. Third, schema drift and pipeline drift. A column name changes. A source table gets replaced. A pipeline starts filtering records differently. Suddenly, the exact same question produces a different answer. That's schema drift in action, and it leads to the most dangerous outcome, silent failure. Queries still run, but they're now answering a slightly different question than you intended. The fix is version-aware logic and maintain prompts you can replay and refresh when change happens. Fourth, trust without verification. If users can't see why the system said something, they either overtrust it or ignore it. Both outcomes are bad. The fix is to show the working, expose assumptions, and provide drill downs so people can validate quickly. That's what an evidence trail is for. If you want the deeper principles behind this, it's worth exploring ideas like the trust charter, silent failure, and evidence trails. And the summary is simple. AI fails silently when definitions are ambiguous. Many errors are data and meaning errors, not model errors. Governance is a product requirement, not a compliance afterthought. And repeatability is the difference between a tool and a toy. That's it for this episode. Thanks for listening to the Framemetric podcast. If you found this useful, follow the show. And feel free to share it with someone building analytics in the real world where the data is messy and definitions actually matter.